Good morning, it's Jim Barrett from RJO Futures. It's Friday morning. Beautiful summer Friday morning in Chicago. Not a lot going on in the markets. A couple of slightly weaker than expected economic numbers, the Empire State Survey, factory orders, and even Michigan consumer confidence were all a little lower than expected. Not bad. Enough to have the notes up a quarter point, bonds up a half a point here in front of the big Sunday night election. You know, what are the Greeks going to do? I mean, obviously that's going to be key. We're into the second week of a correction in note and bonds. We seem to be happy in a new range in the notes. We rejected underneath the 150 2 weeks ago after the unemployment number. However, long-term buyers have showed up around the 168, 170 area, and you know, the market's simply comfortable in this range. You know, will information from the Sunday night election be enough to knock it out of this range in either direction? Not sure. You know, a lot is discounted. A lot is not necessarily going to be cleared up. You know, in my opinion, you know, regardless of how this election goes. I mean, the whole thing is just going to keep unfolding, and unfortunately, you know, it can be tough to trade news headlines, but that's what we got. So I'd concentrate more on the fact that you know, we're in a range-bound market, unlike you know, from mid-March until 2 weeks ago, where we were in a trending market, and obviously the style of trading you want to approach the market with is different in that type of situation. I think this trading range of roughly 134 and a quarter, 134.08 in the notes down to, you know, 133 or maybe just under is likely to hold up for a while. And even if we do get a break out of that range, there'll be a test back the other way. So I'd consider keeping the powder dry. You know, stay tuned Sunday night if you're looking to trade some kind of volatility, but you know, probably everything can wait till Monday morning. Anyways, economic numbers next week will probably take a back seat to these political headlines, and that's just the kind of market we're in. I can be reached at 800-500-2461 to discuss any futures market. Please have a great weekend, and remember, there's a risk of loss in futures trading, not for everybody. Thank you.